press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome back to the English class. Today I am going to teach you second supplementary lesson that is Channapattana toys. What's the lesson name, dear children? Channapattana toys. Okay. Before we go through the lesson, pre-activity. Activity is given to you. Let's we go through the activity, then we move through the lesson. Okay. You have to open the page number 152, 153. 152, 153. So here, so look at, dear children. Can you locate the following places on the Karnataka map? Mysore, Bangalore, Ramnagara, Channapattana. So you have to draw the Karnataka map. Then you have to locate these four places: Mysore, Bangalore, Ramnagara, Channapattana. So look at the map, dear children. Look at the map. Bangalore and Mysore, in between Channapattana is there, right? So let's we see where the Channapattana it will come. Okay. Look at the map, Karnataka map. Mysore and Bangalore place is there. In between Ramnagara is there. Let's see where Channapattana it will come. So here we can observe Channapattana. Okay. So here look at the red mark is there, no? So this is the Channapattana. Bangalore and Mysore, in between the red mark is there, no? That is Channapattana. Okay. So Channapattana is the name of a small town between Bangalore and Mysore. That is, I told you, between Bangalore, red mark is there. That is Channapattana, dear children. So here, Channapattana is famous for its beautiful and colorful toys. These toys mainly attract children. Yes, definitely children like you are very attracted to the toys, right? So this is a famous place for beautiful and colorful toys. Look at the toys, dear children. Very beautiful, very attractive toys, right? So we can see these toys in Channapattana near Bangalore and Mysore, in between Bangalore and Mysore. Okay. So here, Janapada Loka, our folklore center is near Channapattana. Here we can see articles or things used in olden days in the framing activities. This is what is a folklore center means, that is Prachina Kategala Vastugala Sangraha. Okay. So articles means Vastugulu. We can see old articles in near Channapattana. Janapada Loka, our folklore center is near Channapattana. Look at the picture, dear children. These all things we can see near Channapattana. So how the farmers use, what the things are farmers use in olden days, what the articles used in homes in olden days, how they are people used to discuss how they are decide for whatever the issues is going on in their village, means how they are discuss one another. Like this, we can see all these articles are folklore centers in Channapattana. Here we can see articles are things used in olden days in the framing activities like this. See, Kengal Anjaneya Swami, a beautiful temple, is also near Channapattana. So this is a beautiful and famous temple also, dear children. Thousands of devotees, not only Karnataka but all over the India. So we can see thousands of devotees come and pray here in Anjaneya Swami temple. This is a beautiful temple. It is also near Channapattana. Okay. So here it is the hometown of our late Chief Minister, Mr. Kengal Hanumantayya. He was Kengal Hanumantayya. He was late Chief Minister of our Karnataka. The temple, this temple, it means Anjaneya temple, attract thousands of devotees from different part of the state. Not only Karnataka, from different parts of the state, all over India, we can see thousands of devotees to visit in this temple. Okay. Kengal Hanumantayya, late Chief Minister of our state. Let's read and enjoy the lesson now. Now the actual lesson is going on. Start, dear children. Let's see the lesson. What the lesson is. Divya and Mukta were sisters. They were sisters. Both were school going girls. It was a Sunday. Both the sisters wanted to go out and enjoy the day. At that time, their grandpa called them. He was reading a newspaper. Divya and Mukta saw beautiful pictures of toys in the newspaper. They pestered their grandpa to tell them a story about toys. The following is what grandpa told them about the toys. Here, one day, two girls are there. What's their name, dear children? Divya and Mukta. They are school going children. On that time, there was a Sunday obviously, holiday. Both the sisters want to go out to enjoy the day because Sunday holiday, they want to enjoy the day to go somewhere. Okay. At that time, their grandpa called them. On that time, their grandpa, it means girls' grandpa called them. Called to girls, Divya and Mukta. He was reading a newspaper. Who was reading a newspaper, dear children? Yes. Grandpa was reading a newspaper. Divya and Mukta saw a beautiful picture of toys in the newspaper. On that time, while his grandpa reading the newspaper, on that time, they saw the beautiful toys picture on the newspaper. Who? Divya and Mukta. Pictures of toys in the newspaper. They pestered their grandpa to tell them a story about toys. They forced to their grandpa to tell them a story about the toys, about beautiful toys. The following is what grandpa told them us about the toys. Now, their grandpa going to tell them a story now. Let's see what the story is. So, look at the beautiful toys, dear children. Colorful and beautiful toys. Very beautiful, right? See. We can see these all toys in Channapattana. So, here, look at the toys. So, while the Divya and Mukta, while his grandpa reading the newspaper, they saw the toys in the newspaper and they pestered their grandpa to tell them story about the toys. Now, what the story is going to tell their grandpa is, now see, Tipu Sultan was a famous king. Tipu Sultan was a famous king. He was a good ruler. He loved children very much. He bought Persian toy makers to his kingdom. Persian toy makers trained local artisans. They left their wonderful art in our state. So, you know that he was a great personality, Tipu Sultan. He was born in 1750 to 1799. 1750 to 1799. He was born in Devanahalli near Srirangapatna. He was popular known as a Tiger of Mysore. Right? Tiger of Mysore. Tipu Sultan was a famous king. Yes, he was a famous and great ruler. He was a good ruler. He loved children very much. Yes. He loved children very much. Because he loved children very much, that's why he bought a Persian toy makers. Persia is a country. He bought a Persian toy makers to his kingdom. To his kingdom is, to his palace. Persian toy makers trained local artisan. What the Persian toy maker did? He trained the local artisan. And they left their wonderful art in our state. In our state, they left their wonderful art. Wonderful art means toy making art. So, how the toy are made, how they used to make, and how they fill their colors under the toys. So, that's a very beautiful, that one wonderful art they are left in our state. So, like this, next. Here, Tipu Sultan's birthplace, dear children. This is a Tipu Sultan. This is a Devanahalli near Srirangapatna. Okay. Once I went to Channapattana, I means grandpa here. Grandpa is telling the story in front of their grandchildren, Divya and Mukta. Now, this is a story. Once I went to Channapattana. Once I means grandpa here. Grandpa went to Channapattana. There, Channapattana is also known as Gombegala Uru. Yes, in Kannada, we used to call it as Gombegala Uru. It is also known as, that place also popular as a Gombegala Uru. Okay. I saw Maya Organic there. This is a Maya Organic NGO. See, non-government organization. Okay. There, Maya Organic people worked hard to get money from this great art. So, who are people want to work? So they are joined there, they are work hard in their Maya Organic and they earn a money, okay, with the help of Maya Organic, like this, dear children. Okay, look at how the people are using work. This is also one of the employment. Okay, they'll do hard work here. They'll do hard work. They make a Sada Mumbai or a toys. Some they are fill the colors, some they are make the toys and they earn the money. They'll do hard work and they earn money with the help of the Maya Organic, non-government organization. Okay. See, do you know how the people were making toys? Do you know, dear children, how the people make toys here? People used to chip away on piece wood, but now in Maya Organic workers chip away on power lathes and make toys here. So in olden days, how the people used to make the toys, you know, they used to chip away a piece of wood, but now in Maya Organic, so workers chip away on power lathe machine like this. So this is a power lathe machine. Okay, they are doing work like this. This is a toys, colorful toys. We can see, we can observe. You can observe in your pictures, the textbook also. Textbook page number 154, 155. 154, 155. You can observe this picture, dear children. Colorful. Channapatana toys are special. They are special because vegetable colors are used in them. Yes. Channapatana toys are very special. Why the Channapatana toys are very special? Because vegetables color are fill in them. They are special because vegetable colors are used in them. Vegetable colors use them. So that's why they are very special. These toys are sent to foreign countries. Foreign means other countries. So these toys, Channapatana toys also sent to the other countries. But there is every chance to reject if they are not in good condition. If they are not in good condition, toys, if they are not in good, it means broken, not in color shade means, or they are not fill correct or beautiful color means they can reject those toys. See, the foreigners are choice their toys what they want. They select their toys, beautiful toys. If they are not in good condition, they may reject these toys, dear children. Okay, like this. So here I met Mr. Girish there. Who? Grandpa met Mr. Girish there. He has got 18 years of experience in toy making. While he was met Mr. Girish, on that time Mr. Girish was 18 years experience in the toy making on that time. He said, we are a family of toy makers. He told, who? Mr. Girish told to grandpa that we are a family of toy makers. We are, our whole family, we make the toys. My father now 74 years. My father means Mr. Girish father now 74 years old. My brother and all of us have been in this field. My brother and all of us, mean total whole family, they are making toys. Okay. Been in this field of making toys for a long time. Long time means, so many years back they are making toys. We make Sada Bombay. Sada Bombay is plain toys they used to make. See here how they used to make the toys, dear children. Look at the picture. Okay. So here he told me these toys are world famous. These toys, it means Channapatana toys are world famous toys. Okay. They are protected as a geographical indication, GI, under the WTO, World Trade Organization. These toys are made out of alemara, ivory tree, Wrightia tinctoria tree. So Wrightia tree also, dear children. So we can see how the which tree is useful to the toys in Channapatana. This ivory tree, that is alemara. Look at the tree, dear children. We can use this tree to toy making. Okay. So here the government of Karnataka is helping the toy makers. Training is being given with the help of KSHDC. It means Karnataka State Handicraft Development Corporation. So this is a very helpful corporation, Karnataka State Handicraft Development Corporation. This is a government of Karnataka. It is help to the toy makers. It is very helpful for the toy makers to training. So who want to train this, want to take a training for the toy makers, they are joined there and they get the training with the help of KSHDC. Like this, dear children. Okay. So the government has constructed a Lakeweir Craft Complex and Tattekere. So here we can see the Tattekere Road, that is now the name is changed there. Kaveri name is given to that construction, that is complex on Tattekere Road. We can observe this also. So we can get the training like this craft complex. Here, other than toys, they make cricket bats, wickets, photo frames, trophy bases, spectacles, holders, etc. Other than toys, it is very helpful to the workers. They also make the cricket bats, wickets, photo frames, for trophy bases, spectacles holders, etc. Like this, dear children. You can observe this picture. These all they can make in this Channapattana. Financial assistance is being provided to the artisans. So if they want, if they are financially, if they have was facing the problem means economically they are a problem means they can provide some money to with the help of Vishwa scheme like this. Financially assistance is being provided to the artisans with the help of Dutch government and the Vishwa scheme of Government of Karnataka. With the help of Government of Karnataka Vishwa scheme, for them, for the artisans, they can help the financially also. Okay. So Kengal Anjaneya Swami, I told you already, this is a famous Anjaneya Swami temple near Channapattana. Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple is near this famous city, near, it means Channapattana, it is near, that is Kengal Anjaneya Swami, it is very near to the Channapattana town. This was renovated by Sri Kengal Hanumantayya. So this renovated by Sri Kengal Hanumantayya, it is beside Bangalore and Mysore highway. Bangalore and Mysore highway, it is beside, dear children. Which temple? Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple. Okay. Thousands of people visit this temple. Thousands of people, not only our Karnataka, but all over the state, all over India, thousands of people, they visit this temple. Famous sign actor, Dr. Rajkumar has a song in praise of this god. So, Dr. Rajkumar sung a famous song to praise of this god, dear children. Which god? Yes, Kengal Anjaneya Swami. Look at the temple, dear children. Okay. We have Janapada Loka near Ramnagara. Near Ramnagara, we can see Janapada Loka. Here we can see lots of folklore articles of rural people. So, how the people use the articles in olden days, that is Prachina Vastugala Sangraha, we can observe here in Ramnagara. Ramnagara is also near Channapattana. Here we can see lots of folklore articles of rural people, dear children. Okay. Look at museum also there. How the people, see, we can observe all these things near Channapattana. How, what are the things, what are the articles in olden days people use, that Prachina Vastugala Sangraha. This is a museum also there in Ramnagara near Channapattana. See, these are all picture we can observe, we can see near Channapattana in Ramnagara. See, dear children. So, all things, home articles, see, these all articles we can see. Farmers, how the farmers are using the things in olden days. Hut, that is household articles, all things we can observe in Ramnagara, dear children. These all we can observe. Look at the picture, dear children. Okay. It was founded by late Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. It was founded means Ramnagara articles. It was founded by Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. Okay, he was Nagegowda. In Janapada Loka, training is given to young artisans to continue our tradition, culture and art. Every aspect of rural folk culture is taken care of by this institution. This institution is very helpful for to the artisans, and Janapada Loka training is given to the young artisan. If anyone joined to that training, for the young artisans, they are continued to giving a training to this that is they want to continue this our tradition, culture, custom, art, everything they want to continue, and every aspect of our rural culture, folk culture is taken care of by this institute. This institution very helpful for the folk culture. Dear children, we can observe all these things in this institution. Okay. Divya and Mukta, their two sisters enjoyed listening to their grandpa's talk. So here, Divya and Mukta, they are very enjoyed to listening their grandpa's talk. Their grandpa explained the story about that toys, right? So here, they are enjoyed the story. They enjoyed the beautiful toys and Channapatana's famous, what the famous about Channapatana. Divya and Mukunda, the two sisters enjoyed listening to their grandpa's talk. They have decided to visit Channapatana and Ramnagara with their grandpa in the summer occasion. What they decide, dear children? Divya and Mukunda, they decide that they two sisters enjoyed to listening their grandpa's talk, what the story told his grandpa. They enjoyed this story and they are very happy. They have decided to visit the Channapatana. It means Divya and Mukunda, they want to visit the Channapatana and Ramnagara and Channapatana, they want to visit with their grandpa in summer occasion. It means summer occasion means summer holidays. They want to visit these places. Which places, dear children? These all places. Okay, you can observe all these things. If you will go there, Channapatana and Ramnagara, you can observe all these things, dear children. Household articles, museum, folklore center. So you can observe temple also. You can visit temple, that is Pingal Anjaneya Swami temple, Vishwa University. You can observe all these things. Training center. Like this, how they used to make the toys, which are the machines they are used to make the toys, how they cut piece of that ivory tree, so how they fill the color, how they use the color, vegetable colors to use in these toys, a very beautiful toys they used to make in the Channapatana. So some workers they make the Sada Vambe plain toys, some they fill the colors. So like this, they divide their part, they divide their work, understanding. So this is Maya Organic, Tipu Sultan's birthplace. Okay, see beautiful colors, beautiful toys we can observe here. Look at the beautiful toys, dear children. Yes. Look at the beautiful toys. Okay. So I hope you understood this lesson. Very beautiful and interesting lesson. That is Channapatana toys. You have to draw the Karnataka map. You have to mark the places, dear children. What I told you. That is Mysore, Bangalore, Ramnagara and Channapatana. Mysore, Bangalore, Ramnagara and Channapatana. You have to, before you write the question answer of this lesson, first you have to draw the map. Then you have to go through the question and answer. So I hope you understood better this lesson. So in the next class I will continue on next lesson. Until that, have a nice time. Take care. Thank you.